Real Madrid has flipped a switch that feels like a reset button for Europe. The club didn't just hire a new coach, they brought in a quarterback for the way they want to play, and Xabi Alonso's arrival has turned everyday headlines into a season-long storyline. On top of that came the transfer that made continental fans sit up. Trent Alexander-Arnold walking into the Santiago Bernabeu squad. This is not a simple swap on the roster, it's a signal. It says Real Madrid intend to blend the best attributes of modern English full-back play, range, progressive passing, set-piece magic, with the tactical rigidity and hunger of a side built to win trophies every year. The result is a club that looks retooled, not rebuilt, and everyone's watching to see where the theory becomes silverware. The significance extends beyond one weekend. A manager known for positional control and an elite playmaker from the flank gives Alonso tools to dictate games differently. Trent's arrival offers Madrid the chance to create overloads, to pick passes that split midfields, and to flip long passes into sudden attacks. At the same time, Alonso's system demands discipline and balance, which should help cover some of the defensive holes that haunted the team during Evan's difficult run last season. The summer business around the squad wasn't accidental. Madrid moved for centre-back reinforcement and full-back depth, additions designed to increase competition and resilience across the spine of the team. Those signings mean Alonso can rotate without collapsing quality, which is vital in a calendar that rewards both depth and a clear game plan. Voices who lived these dressing rooms already see it. Former players who have walked the corridors point to culture and structure as the stabilizing forces that turn clutch signings into era-defining chapters. They stress the obvious: adapt quickly off the field, find a home, learn the language, and the football will follow. But they also highlight something subtler. When elite players join an elite club with a coach who knows how to use them, expectations compound fast. That combination creates pressure and possibility in equal measure. On the tactical front, what makes this story interesting is the match between Trent's strengths and Alonso's demands. Where some coaches might ask him to be conservative, Alonso appears to want to use him as a creative fulcrum, someone who can spray diagonal passes, unlock compact defenses, and even arrive late in the box. If that happens consistently, Real Madrid won't just be winning matches, they'll change how opponents defend against them. Yet optimism comes with obvious caveats. Integrating a player who has spent his entire career in one system takes patience. Language, lifestyle, and the media microscope in Madrid are real factors. There will be nights when the connection isn't clean and nights when critics pounce. The difference is how the team responds, whether the squad's depth can absorb hiccups while the coach sharpens the plan. For rival coaches and players across La Liga and the Champions League, the calculus is shifting. Teams preparing for Madrid must now plan for a full-back who can pick a match-winning pass from 30 yards and a coach who will make sure his structure doesn't leave dangerous gaps. That's a headache for opponents and a dream for neutrals who love tactical chess at pace. Ultimately, what makes this summer's move so compelling is the story they tell about intent. Real Madrid haven't been passive architects of chance. They've actively redesigned their toolset to chase trophies the right way, with top coaching, creative firepower, and a bench that actually matters. The question for the season ahead is simple but huge. Can Alonso turn this pile of talent into the kind of consistent excellence Madrid demands? If he can, and if Trent lives up to the hype and settles quickly, we're not just watching a team rebuild, we're witnessing the opening chapter of a revolution that could define European football for the next few years. Keep your eyes on the Bernabeu. This is one of those moments where the next headline probably tells us which direction history will take.